ABS lights on. Did it after I changed the battery out of it. So we're going to try to flush, if possible today, we're going to try to flush the fluid. Before we flush the fluid, I want to show you, this is the finished product, but what you don't know is what this car looked like before this and the work I had to do. I had to replace the airbag, including the whole front end of this car. A lot of parts were ordered, including the fact that the computer got wet in the previous accident. So we had to go in the computer module. The front end was absolutely amazing to work with. All we had to do was remove the rivets, shave down the panel bond, and then put our new parts back in with panel bond and new rivets. And guess what? It was just that easy. This is the complete project. This is the complete picture. But we had one issue. When I first got it, you could not start it because we had a leak in the oil pan. The good news is my buddy was able to weld a plate to cover this, and we were able to drive the car. Back to the video. This is the mechanism we're using. What I'm gonna do is drill a hole in this bottle. Let's see if we can get this fluid flushed. So we have a 11 millimeter. This is the apparatus that has a arrow, and it should hold the fluid. So I'm gonna clip this on and open the line up just a little bit, like so. And we'll get this all plugged up. See where DOT is going to tell you .4, and we're going to go to each cylinder. Let's see what happens. In here. Pumping. She's not moving. Let's see if it's coming out. Definitely have fluid coming out. Hopefully no air going in. Do this a few times, see if anything's over. Now it went all the way down. Looks really good. As you can see, use a Prestone .4. Fully synthetic. That line has no air in it. So we'll move to the next. All right, so doing this brake line next. Everything's plugged up. Bottle's almost full, and we are see some deposits going. If you look at the top of that line, it's like some metal coming out. Project complete. Even though it did not fix the problem, I'm gonna have to reprogram the ABS module. Next video, let's actually show you what Dexter had a problem with on his Porsche Macan. Quick PVC valve right quick. These guys, real easy. I'm chilling with Dexter. We're cleaning up these lenses. We don't have any before pictures. This is kind of after, getting this thing clean, changing out these valves. So what's up, Dexter?
How you doing, family? Learning something today.
So we're gonna get these changed out. Gonna get on it. Real simple process.
Easy work.
Easy work. Like that.
All right, this is working here.
Hey, ain't so bad, right?
Ain't so bad.
A little bit better than buying new ones.
And then the third one, number 3 is the...
So let's do this side first. So when you push these things, man, that thing just unclip. It's already unclipped. You'll get that looser.
So I noticed it's got a leak around.
Like that. And guess what? Make sure that slides. See them seals right here?
Mm-hmm.
Make sure it slide back down on the seals. Like so.
That engine's dirty. I gotta get that cleaned up.
You know,
Yeah.
might need to leave it alone.
Okay.
Or, you know, because you let it run and just barely rinse it.
Yeah, so I used to be the master of pressure washer. Back in the day, all you had to do was cover the carburetor with a piece of plastic and spray it off. Put some gunk on it.
That's it on that side, brother.
Come on.
I told you that. I told you that.
So, Harold, what is $1,800 worth of work?
Man, you in a Porsche, Rolls Royce, Aston Martin, G-Wagon, Mercedes shop. Man, don't worry about that.
So I'm paying for the name?
It's just life.
Okay.
They're supposed to do this.
I got the best pizza in town. I'm just gonna take my prices up $3 more.
Yeah, they supposed to. Done. We good, brother. Put that top
Should I
back
start
on.
it up?
You can go ahead.
It might. Well, we gotta make sure it doesn't make a noise.
Oh yeah, I'm just about to kick you out without trying it. I got you. Go ahead, start it up. You good?
Everything's in there.
Everything's good.
You want that on camera?
Start up. No noise.
Got to be fun.
Like, subscribe this video. Let's see what's next. I'm rolling.